Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a ShopMissA haul. It is not the largest haul, but what's great about ShopMissA is it's so stinking affordable. Even if it's not a large haul, it's still a decent sized haul because everything's $1. If you haven't heard of ShopMissA, it's pretty much an online dollar store. I like to purchase makeup and eyelashes mostly from them. I honestly don't remember what all is in this haul. All I remember is that I ordered one of their new primers. That's pretty much it. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. All right, let's do this. How are you guys? Are you doing okay? Sending all my love. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. They always put so much bubble wrap. All right, so the first thing, this is pretty much the reason I placed the order. They were having dollar shipping over $5, and I've really been wanting this. And every time I order, I normally will order $35 worth of stuff to get the free shipping, but I was like, $1 shipping? I can handle that. The Perfect Filter Face Primer. So this guy minimizes pores. My favorite type of primer is a pore minimizing primer. One's going to smooth out my skin. I have a lot of pores and like stuff going on right here, and then I have texture on the outside of my face. So I love using primers like this. I'm so excited to try this. A lot of you guys have told me that you absolutely love this. This one is also one of the Pod Pod charity items, so it's $1.55, but 55 of those cents goes to animal charities for animals in need, so I'm always down to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I want to feel it. I want to touch it. I want to know if it feels, is there silicone in it? There's the methicone. I was like, for $1.55, I can try that. First of all, I love that the packaging is always pink. And there's a little papa, little baby. This is what it looks like. My hands are really dry, real dry from all the washing. It feels good. I feel like it also hydrated. You can see it's kind of shiny right here now. I'm excited to try this guy out. We'll try it in a video soon. So you guys can get my thoughts on it, and we can see if you've tried it. Let me know what you think down below. Thinks is like, Mom, what are you doing? Why are you shaking that? I'm trying to get my lashes out. 2 pairs of lashes. I ended up purchasing 2 extra pairs of Jackie. These are my ride or die favorite lashes ever, and I'm actually wearing them right now so you guys can see what they look like with minimal eye makeup. So there's 2 shades on my eyes. There's 1 shade in the crease, obviously, then the same shade that's on my brow bone besides some highlight. Same highlight that's on my cheek. Very simple look today. I love these lashes. I love them with a wing, without a wing. They are my absolute favorite pretty much of all time, and they are $1.55. Again, Papa Charity. So pretty. Look, maybe I should do this. You want to see? I got ready really fast, so don't judge my makeup today, but absolutely love these. I don't even know. I've probably purchased 20 or more pairs of these, honestly. And then I got 1 more pair of Terry, because this is one of the few that I have tried from the new releases, and I actually really like these. They're really bold and spiky, and I was just like, why not? Keep in my lash drawer for future tutorials because it's a nice in-between. They look really bold, but on my eyes, if I have a bold eye look, like they're not really that bold. They're a good balancing lash somewhere in between. Most people look at this and be like, girl, those are insane. But something about them, I don't feel like they're too over the top for my eyeballs. So I really like them. So I was like, I'll get 1 more. Why not? One of these brow brushes. I love this brush. I already have one. Not only do I use it for brows, I will use it with a cream liner for my wing. Something about it, it's thick and it packs on. You're gonna have to like a big wing, honestly, to use this, or it's great to clean up your wing. You can use it for under your eye. I got it for brow products. I got their new brow gel, which I'll show you in just a moment. It's just their angled brush. It's the E14. Sorry, I just swatched a palette. Clearly it stained my finger. I just filmed a favorites video before this one. So yeah, it's just an angled brush, $1. I love their brushes. If you are new to makeup or just want some new brushes, definitely check out ShopMissA. You cannot, for $1, you can't beat it. I think I've had 1 brush break once, and that's it. All right, so we've got our little bag of goodies. So I picked up their brow gel. They just released this. They seem to release 1 item a week, like ColourPop vibes, releasing things all the time. But it's great because it's $1. But then, of course, I always end up purchasing way more than the 1 item. Obviously, I haven't tried this. I need to try some of these new products in a tutorial soon. Let me know if you guys want another ShopMissA 1 brand tutorial. I would love to do that for you, trying this new stuff out. I was just excited to try this. I used to love the NYX one back in the day. It might be a little bold for me now, but I always feel better going a little dark with my brows once I get my roots growing in, because you can see how dark my hair actually is. So I got mine in Taupe. This looks really dark for Taupe. So for this, what I normally would do when I use the NYX one before is I would just put it on the back of my hand and then tap into it. I'm just going to touch it with my finger just to show you guys the shade. Oh, it is. It's a good shade. It's a nice cool toned taupe. Once it's not so concentrated in this tube. I think that's going to be actually a really good shade for me. So I'm excited to try it. We'll try it in a video soon. But I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be waterproof just like any other one like this. $1. You know how many uses you can get out of this tiny tube? All right, so the next thing I grabbed was one of their lip pops. I have never tried one of their lip pops before. Of course, I picked kind of the pinky nude one. This one is City Girl. I honestly almost ordered a bunch of them because the reviews were insanely good. Ooh! Oh, it's even prettier than I thought. Oh, it's perfect. That is so my shade, that like dusty rose. So good. It actually has a lot more color than I thought it was going to. I thought it was going to be more of a sheer lip color, like a sheer lip gloss, but that is so much more pigmented than I expected. I grabbed one of their glow liquid eyeshadows. This is from the A2O brand. I got mine in Kinetic. I don't think I've ever heard anyone speak about these. I really like this packaging. Look at this packaging. She cute. Cute packaging. Ooh, this was $1 as well. That looks so like it should cost more than $1. So it's just one of those liquid glowy shadows. That's not as glowy. I mean, it's glowy, but I was hoping it would be more glowy. What would be pretty is to use this and put one of their pigments on top. I've really been loving their pigments. I actually picked up a couple more. Let's look at those next. The two shades that I picked up this time were Orb and Conjure. So this guy is a dark blue and this one is clearly a white. I love a really intense inner corner highlight on anything. Like this is not that intense at all for me in the inner corner. I love like a pow in that inner corner. In my last ShopMissA haul, I did pick up a couple of these. I got one that looks like the blue brown pigment from MAC and then the like rose gold. I'm totally spacing what the MAC one was, but it's like the rose gold shade. You'll definitely know it's like a pinky gold. Absolutely love those. They are beautiful. Let's see how this one is. These you can apply dry or wet. Oh, it's hard with nails to get your finger in the cap. Ooh, she is pigmented. Look at that white. It's just a really frosty white shade. So nothing super unique. It doesn't really have any sort of flip to it. Just a frosty white, but I thought it would be really pretty to put on my inner corner. Oh, wow. Instant pop. Okay. 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 An intense one. So we're just gonna try and like buff that out a little bit. But girl, okay, well, exactly what I wanted it for. It's gonna be great. You can always wet your brush too if you want to make sure that it stays all day. Because I feel like my inner corner highlight does seem to fade throughout the day. So yeah, for $1, this is gonna last for 1,000 years. I can't even get over it. These are literally the same size as a full-size MAC pigment. The only thing is I feel like they could be pretty messy and easy to spill. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I'm gonna kind of blend it out for you guys so you can really see the glitter. I probably should put it in a better place. But it's got like pink and blue and purple glitters in it. Look at that. Okay. Again, don't mind my nails underneath my nails, if that makes sense at all. It's like a purpley blue. And I just love the different colors of glitter that are under there. Last two things we grabbed were a couple of their new pencils. These are their gel liners. I got navy and royal purple. I almost ordered all of them, but I was like, Shannon, calm down. You never know when it comes to like eyeliners, if your eyes are going to react right or what, how you're going to, you know, how it's going to work for you. So I thought I would try these two. And I thought either of those would be really pretty with this pigment. That would be fun to do a look with those. Not as pigmented off the bat as I would hope for it to be. It's not like a bright purple. It literally matches that pigment, as you can see right there. But again, it's $1. And honestly, when I use colored liners, I always put a powder shadow on top. It literally clicks in. Let's see if you can hear that. Sweet. So I will just use it as a base, kind of like a primer for my eyeshadows on my lower lash line usually. Okay, this one is actually more pigmented. I had to run it back and forth less times. It's really pretty. It's kind of a turquoise more than a navy. Kind of like, ooh, like a deep turquoisey forest green, if that makes sense at all. This one's going to be really beautiful. I think I'm going to really like this one. All right, love. So that is everything that I picked up from ShopMissA this time around. Let me know what your favorite ShopMissA items are right now. Let me know which of these or all of these if you want to see them in a ShopMissA testing tutorial soon. I can't wait to do that for you. I'm so excited to try the primer, to try the lip gloss, to try the brow gel. All right, well, I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are staying healthy and safe, and just know that I'm thinking about you. Whenever you need to chat, leave a comment down below. I will definitely do my very best as I'm staying home, practicing social distancing. I have even more time to spend talking to you guys. So if you guys want to reach out, let me know how you're doing. Let me know how things are for you down in the comments. I would love to hear and connect with you guys. I'm trying to do more Instagram lives, and I will try and go live here on YouTube. I've just never done it before, but I will try and figure it out. Let me know if you guys want like a planned live so more of you guys can join in. We could try and do that very soon, maybe sometime this week. Okay, I'm really rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. I wish I had some scissors. This guy. This is the what are you called? I love the packaging. Let me go. Somebody come get her. She dancing like a stripper. I'm gonna say it's my jam. It's a good deal. So I'm gonna show you guys. Got a couple of them. I got one that looks like the Mac.